Welcome. I hope you're doing well, staying safe, staying indoors. I know that you may feel the urge to be a little productive right now during this time. Maybe you want to make a YouTube video. So I want to go and share with you a little bit of the industry secret on YouTube on how to grow your YouTube account very quickly. I've been working with influencers for several years now and really kind of working behind the scenes with things. And yes, there are tips and tricks to be successful that people don't talk about publicly. And this is the information that normally my consulting clients would pay several $100s for, or at least with other people. So I don't think that it's really that big of a deal for me giving it away, because it is something that you can find out there, and working with me provides so much more value than this. But anyway, let's dive in. So whenever you're making a YouTube video, you have keywords that you enter. So that way, when you search, you're searchable for those things. So say, for example, you want to type in how to draw. Well, you're going to show up, even if it's a painting, you might have used the keyword how to draw, and then your how to paint will show up. So what makes a video kind of go viral or get 10 times the number of views or 1,000 times the number of views? Like, I have videos where, the number of views has thousands of times the number of subscribers that the person had before the video went out. And of course, they blow up because of that. And so one of the ways, in fact, one of the most important ways, you have the thumbnail, you have the title and the description, and of course the quality video. But after that, it's keywords, I would say, is really, really important. So I'm going to go and show you on the computer how to see what your competitors are doing. This is super important information. So normally you actually cannot see what it is that people use for their keywords. It's kind of hidden, but there is a way to see it. So let me show you here. So say, for example, that you are on YouTube. Okay? Now say, for example, you want to learn, this is my page, you should subscribe, but if you want to learn how to draw, so you're going to look at the ones, why do some videos have way more views than other ones? It's interesting, Art for Kids Hub dominates all of the top results. Okay. So let's say, let's look at a couple different videos here. So we'll look at how to draw Baby Yoda. Okay, so they have individual ones, which is interesting. But let's go and look at how to draw bodies drawing tutorial. One thing I think is worth noting is that they all have how to draw and then hot keyword things, like Baby Yoda was popping 4 months ago, Lilo and Stitch, Leprechaun for St. Patrick's Day, the things that people are going to be wanting to draw. But we're going to go over here to how to draw bodies. We're not going to watch this video, but the video is doing very, very well. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at the keyword. So I actually have a plugin here that shows it, but you don't necessarily have that. So what we can do is we can go to View Page Source, and then this is going to give you a whole bunch of code. Now, normally this would be kind of gibberish for you, but you're going to hit Command F, and you're going to search for keywords. So the first one here doesn't do anything, but if you scroll here, keywords. So the keyword they use for this video is body, body tutorial, how to draw body, how to draw human body, body sketch, sketching, drawing, illustration, anatomy, art anatomy, channel. Alright, so that's all they used. Now let's go to a different one. Let's see what happens when we go to a competitor. Let's say we use also how to draw anatomy. 1.8 million views in 2 months. That's huge. It's a huge video. So again, now what you do is you would be doing market research, seeing what your competitors are doing, what you're doing, and make a list of all of them, and then see the commonalities and really target those. What are the ones that people are doing consistently? All right, Apple F, keyword. Oh, how to draw anime girl, anime drawing, tutorial, drawing anime girl, drawing tutorial, how to, Nico, how to make. Interesting. Let's try one more here. I want to find one that's like really different, because a lot of times when I'm doing this for like vloggers, for example, or people who are doing like influencers, their hashtags are all over the place. It's really interesting. Some people go really specific, hyper specific, and some people just type in like keyword fun. It really is quite crazy. All right. So this channel just dominates. If they have a YouTube setup, merch, color branding, yeah, 2.5 million followers. Of course, they're crushing it. So they're going to be someone really interesting to see what it is that they're doing here. Art for Kids Hub, yeah, they're their own keyword. Art for Kids, how to draw, easy, simple cartoon. It's so interesting. Surprise, puppet. Interesting. I want to find one that's like really different. These are all very similar. This one's really interesting. Like, why is Rip how to turn words Kobe into basketball? Like, why? That's so strange how this shows up on how to draw. This kind of thing where you're like yes, you're gonna blow up if you're the top person, but honestly, you're probably not gonna be the top result. But if you can be like a recommended result, or if you're gonna show up and just be like how to draw Kobe, further down in a line of where people are going and it's all how to draw tutorials, you're now in a different market and you're going to get a lot of exposure that way. It really does work. So, and it's something that like, oh, I'm interested in how to draw, but I'm also interested in this weird thing. It's only 2 minutes long. I want to watch this and see how you turn Kobe into a basketball. All right. So one more time here. Keywords. Kobe, Kobe Bryant, NBA, basketball, Kobe Bryant died. Kobe Bryant heli crash, Kobe died. Lionel Messi, Ronaldo, Cristiano, words into cartoon. Messi, football, Kobe Bryant accident, drawing, how to draw, how to turn words into cartoon, how to turn words into cartoon, turn words into cartoon, kids, art, channel ID. Yeah, so I think that's a great thing. In this specific example, they all seem to be really focused, but find your niche and see that they really are all over the place. Maybe this one is like hyper focused and hyper competitive, but there are certainly other genres that are like really all over the place. Anyway, that's my tip for today. If you want more help, starting a YouTube channel, growing a YouTube channel, just let me know. Send me a direct message or a subscribe, and I'm going to be putting out lots more free content, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.